Hi everyone, get ready to witness a spectacular celestial event on Wednesday, November 5, 2025. Do you know about it? That is supermoon. The full moon will appear brighter and larger than usual when it reaches to its closest point to Earth in its orbit. This point is called perigee. According to NASA, moon appears up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than the dimmest full moon. Supermoons occur 3 times in a year in the month of October, November and December. November 2025 supermoon is the brightest of 2025 and also brightest since 2019. November's full moon is known as Hunter's moon or Frosty moon or Beaver moon. Cultural and seasonal names for the full moon vary hugely across the world. Tides can be slightly higher during supermoon. The supermoon will be clearly visible without the need for telescopes or special equipment. So, don't miss it. Thank you.